The following instruction will guide you through the steps required to make print and mockup file for custom shape clear one-sided printed acrylic ornament. First, download the template. When preparing your print file, you need to reference our PSD print templates. These can be downloaded on each respective product page under the Mockup and Template tab. Open the file. To set up print file, open the downloaded template in Photoshop or you will need an alternative that has the ability to work with smart objects, like Photopea. Here are some sample ideas for customizing with interesting designs and shapes. Setting up your artwork. Make the print and cutout shape design. Double-click on the design layer thumbnail to open that smart object. A new screen should open up. Edit or drag the design to the file's work surface. Adjust, place design within the safe print area. Reposition the hanging hole or make the new one. When done, save smart object. Go back to the original PSD file. You'll find the two customizable layer will be automatically generated. Add the printed design, not include the shape design to this part. Consider for print details. All pixel-based artwork or raster image needs to be a minimum of 300 dpi dots per inch. Less than 300 dpi and your artwork might print dotty or fuzzy. All text and elements should be a minimum of 15 pixels. Elements smaller run the risk of not printing correctly. Consider for the shape part, make sure that all artwork elements are connected and combined into a single object. If your design has multiple pieces of inner geometry, make sure that you have added bridging or adjusted the design to ensure that nothing is lost during cutting. Every detailed cutting line weights should be at least 37 pixels. Too thin and small features are more apt to break. Export the file. When finished designing, then save the design file in PNG transparent format. Make sure that you turn off the guide layer and remove unused objects from your file. How to generate mockups from the print file. Open the mockup file. Double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer thumbnail to open Smart Object. Then drag your finished print file into the Smart Object work surface. Save the file. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. Then, you'll see the mockup is generated. Reposition the hanger string. You can change the background. You can also add more decoration elements. Once you've done, save your mockup for your own use. Upload artwork files and create product on your Merchize account. If you want to add products to your Merchize account, once you access to Merchize admin dashboard, go to product page. You can choose Create Regular Product or Create Campaign in Product section. The Create Regular Product is used to create product individually. Before submitting the artwork for fulfillment, please ensure that you are submitting the ready-to-print artwork. The Create Campaign feature can be used to create one or multiple types of product at a time. Using Merchize Mockup Generator inside your browser, this tool helps to quickly visualize your ideas, and you can easily create multiple products and the multiple mockups within minutes. If you can't find the product you want to generate mockups, please use PSD mockup file. We are continuously updating the product catalog. Follow each detailed instruction below in the description of this video to create and sync products from Merchize to other sale channels.